Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat lag on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Snapchat app. For example, this is Snapchat app, and click on storage and cache and clear cache Snapchat app. After clear cache Snapchat app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, the last option is reinstall Snapchat app. Just click and hold on Snapchat app and click on uninstall. After click on uninstall, you will see app is uninstalled. After the process, click on Play Store app and search Snapchat and download from here. After downloading, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Snapchat lag on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.